Hello sir, good morning. My name is Madan Singh Dhami. I am from Darchula, Nepal. I am 26 years old. I have 10 members in my family. I am 10 pass. I am married. I am physically fit. I have 6 years work experience as a agriculture in Nepal. Thank you.